Hello students, let us continue the lesson. Now, the picture you can see here is a circuit of an electric bell. Now, you all know about the electric bell, what the electric bell is. Now, this is also an application of magnetic effect of electric current. Now, we are quite familiar with an electric bell, right? It has an electromagnetic magnet in it. Let us see how it works. This picture shows the circuit of an electric bell. It consists of a coil of wire wound on an iron piece. You can see the coil of wire wound on an iron piece. The coil acts as an electromagnet here. An iron strip with a hammer at one end is kept close to the electromagnet. See, that is a iron strip with a hammer at one end is kept close to the electromagnet. There is a gong here. There is a gong. There is a contact screw near the iron strip. There is a contact screw near the iron strip. When the iron strip is in contact with the screw, the current flows through the coil. See, the circuit is closed. When the iron strip is in contact with the screw, the circuit flows through the coil, which becomes an electromagnet. Then it pulls the iron strip. In the process, the hammer at the end of the strip strikes the gong of the bell to produce a sound. Then we can hear the bell, sound of the bell. However, when the electromagnet pulls the iron strip, it also breaks the circuit. The current through the coil stops flowing. Now then, the coil doesn't remain an electromagnet. When the circuit breaks, the coil doesn't remain an electromagnet. The coil is no longer an electromagnet. It no longer attracts the iron strip. The iron strip comes back to its original position and touches the contact screw again. This completes the circuit again. Then what happens? The current flows in the coil and the hammer strikes the gong again. This process is repeated in quick succession. The hammer strikes the gong every time the circuit is completed. This is how the bell rings. Got it? This is the working of the electric bell. Now we have completed the whole chapter, children. Now what all we have learnt, let us recall. We have learnt electric components and its symbols of electric circuit in a circuit diagram, electric cell, battery, and how to draw a circuit diagram, heating effects, that is electric current and its effects, magnetic effects, and we learnt about fuse, electromagnet, and finally electric bell. Yes, let us end up the class here. Thank you.